Hello guys, so I need to talk today about sad matters, and particularly about this case where this buyer from UK literally destroyed his crossbow. And now some of you are asking, like, what happened? Is it like magazine fault? Should we expect like that now every magazine will blow up? And yeah, so it was a series of sad mistakes. First mistake was that he actually used third-party bolts with vanes positioned not correctly, and second was that he actually noticed that bolts are not moving freely in the magazine, but he still got on the range, and he actually even succeeded to perform 2 shots, but then bolt was kind of catched in the magazine by the vanes, and he performed a dry fire. The third mistake was that he actually did not check the bottom bolt before he made a shot. So he opened the case on eBay. Now it's in review. I don't know what will happen here formally, but from my side I don't feel myself responsible technically, like we did something wrong in design, but indeed some lessons could be learned from that, and my lesson is that I should provide more information to community, especially about adjusting vanes and calibrating the magazine, and also how to reglue the vanes, because R series bolts seems to be having a wide tolerance, like 3-4 millimeters, that is absolutely not fitting in our tolerance, which is about 2-3 millimeters. So that's our response to this case, and again, watch those videos and stay safe, don't make mistakes. Thanks.